Today we are gonna make kuah kacang.
For Hari Raya.
Yeah.
Okay, so how do we make kuah kacang, Abang? What's the first step?
We have to fry it, but Mommy already fried the seeds. So then now we have to peel it.
Okay, can you show us how do you peel peanuts?
And then just fry away.
So it's like this. You ambil this one and then you just ramas.
Or you can just grab a bunch of them and then boom, boom, boom. But just got
Yeah.
the peel.
Alright.
Nak balik kampung. Kampung siapa dulu? Nak balik kampung. Janji aku bersamamu.
Raya, balik kampung siapa dulu? Raya. Lagi? Nek! Tak jadi pun, Nek. See? We're doing it so that all the peels fly out. Can you see?
In the sewer grain. In the sewer grain. It's flying in the sewer grain. Oh, you're done?
Done. Oh my god, but there's a lot of yang that we didn't peel, Abang.
Yeah. You already wanted to tampi so much.
Okay, now we're gonna cook it.
Bye-bye. I think there's something weird at my moyang's house. See? A dead cat under the place. Ali, you see it? You see it? Dead cat. That's a dead cat. That's a dead cat. There's a little dead cat.
Are you gonna bury it? Seth, are you gonna bury the cat?
Are
you gonna bury the cat?
No, please. Look at that.
Okay, after dah habis tampi, after finish tampi, we need to blend, grind the peanuts. Going to fry the onion.
I don't want to see the onion. It makes me cry.
Okay, cry now.
I don't want to cry.
Can you see or not? Can you see? Go up. No.
I can see it.
Yeah. Until benda tu siap. And then we're gonna masuk all this.
Ah!
Okay, guess what's in here? Can you guess what's in here?
I
Guess
think
what?
it's the peanut we peel.
No, not peanut. There's chili, there's onion, garlic, lemongrass, ginger, and lengkuas. I don't know what lengkuas is in English.
Okay.
So we blend everything, okay?
Okay. See you later. Nak balik kampung. Jadi aku bersamamu.
Yes. Ni you cook until dia jadi macam ni. Pecah minyak. You can see the minyak all. And lastly, we're gonna put water until penuh like this, and then we just wait until it dries up. Okay, let's just wait. Hello. 2 hours later.